Good morning, dear. Earlier, we have discussed about in previous lecture about hot desert, Sahara desert. We have discussed, and extreme climatic conditions are found in Sahara desert during the day 50 degrees Celsius, during the night 0 degrees Celsius. Now we are going to discuss about the cold desert. So cold desert is Ladakh desert in India, which consider the cold desert here. And you know Ladakh is located in Himalaya part, and our Himalaya is divided into three parallel ranges. Top part of Himalaya, northern part of the Himalaya, that is known as the Greater Himalaya, which most of time covered by glacier. Second one is known as the Middle Himalaya, also known by the Himachal Himalaya, because it extends in the Himachal state, or that is known as the middle. It is located between the both Himalaya, top and lower Himalaya. That's why we consider the Middle Himalaya, and northernmost Himalaya, that is considered Shivalik range. So these are the three divisions of Himalaya. And you know Himalaya is mountain area, and due to the high altitudes, not altitude, it is the altitude. Altitude is the geographical word. Altitude means the height, like that is known as the altitudes. When we move to the height or upward side, that is considered altitude. So you know mostly altitude height are found in cold desert, Ladakh desert, 3000 meter to 8000 meters. जो हाइट है मोस्टली लद्दाख डेजर्ट की, it is the 3000 meter to 8000 meter from the sea level. From sea level 3000 to 8000 meter, and mostly meaning of the Ladakh. It is given in your book. Lam is mountain pass, and Dak means the country. Lam is mountain passes between the two mountains. It's like two mountains are located. So ये pass between the two mountains, that is known as the pass, where we can passes. So between two mountains there is the pass, that is known as the La, and Dak means the country. That is meaning of the Ladakh. So Ladakh is located at the Himalaya, and mostly height is 3000 to 8000 meter. During the summer, Ladakh temperature about 0 degrees Celsius. During summer, 0 degrees Celsius. And during the winter, Ladakh temperature minus 30 degrees Celsius. Minus 30 degrees Celsius temperature are found during the winter in Ladakh desert. It is a too much cold place because it is located on height. Or we know very well that when we move from the upward side, 165 meter area decrease the 1 degree Celsius temperature. And rainfall in the Ladakh desert, that is 10 degrees Celsius. And Kargil also located in that area. Map is given on page number 74 inside your NCERT book. So you can see the Gilgit border of China, and Ladakh is surrounded by the Jasper mountain, Karakoram mountain, and one glacier is also located in that area, that is the Gangri glacier. Gangri glacier is located in that area, and Kargil, where the famous war between India and Pakistan held, that is Kargil, that place is located at the Ladakh mountain. So Ladakh temperature, climatic condition, you have seen 10 degrees Celsius, 10 centimeter, sorry, correct my word, 10 centimeter rainfall yearly received by 10 centimeter rainfall received yearly in that area. Which type of vegetations are found in that area? There mostly vegetations are found which can grow during the cold temperature, which can grow inside the glacier or like this. So mostly willows are popular. Willows trees are famous for to make the cricket bat, जिनसे cricket ball भी बनते हैं. So willows are popular in that area. And in this, what type of wildlife are found? Mostly, you know, robins, Tibetan, also found in that area, Tibetan snow oak, and in that area sheep are found in that area which have the such hair which can protect from the cold climatic condition. So this is the wildlife. Ladakh are found with the wild goats. Wild goats also found in that area. Sheep are found, Yak are found in that area, yak, you know. And some special dogs are found in that area also. So it make the different wildlife are found in that area. Sheep, goats are common in that area, which useful for to make the woolens. And people who are living in Ladakh area, they are too much prosperous with their different diversity. Buddhism cultures also located in that area, Muslim culture also located in that area. They have different diversity in that area. And mostly Muslim cultures, Buddhism culture, that area is the spot of the tourist, and most of tourists they visit that area, and there are the different monks are located in that area, Buddhism cultures are located in that area. So that is the specific place for our country, and that is for the rich diversity, different type of diversity found. You know, our country is famous for the diversity. जैसा कि हम जानते हैं हमारी कंट्री डाइवर्सिटी के लिए फेमस है. डिफरेंट कल्चर्स, डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स आर लिविंग इन दैट एरिया, एंड वी आर लिविंग विद हार्मोनी विदाउट एनी कॉन्फ्लिक्ट. और आवर कंट्री फेमस फॉर द डिफरेंट लिंग्विस्टिक लैंग्वेज, डिफरेंट लैंग्वेज यूज इन डिफरेंट एरियाज. एंड you know, we have the different color diversity, different people are using the different eatable fruits, different dishes, different culture, different folk, and different type of language they spoke. So like this, we are famous for our culture and diversity. So in this year, we have discussed about the Ladakh also, and what type of different diversity most of peoples are engaged in that tourist activity inside the Ladakh. There are many tourists which visit every year this part of our country, and this is the coldest area which open during the summer only, and that's why different monks and different type of Muslim buildings are located in that area. So this is the culture diversity of Ladakh dear. Okay dear, now we are going to discuss about Ladakh desert. In Ladakh desert dear, we have seen different type of diversity are found. Mostly in Ladakh desert, people are living from the Buddhism, Muslim religion, and this place is famous for the tourist. And tourist open from the July to September, because due to the most of road highways covered by the snow, and that open only from July to September. And this area have the rich diversity, and most of people are engaged in that areas. Most of direct and indirect which activity concerned with the tourist. Some has open the shop, some has the open hotels or like, some may be the direct and indirect which activity, economical activity concerned with the tourist. And mostly tourists come in that area to see the Gompas, meadows, glaciers are normally there are different sports activity which are conducted inside the glacier or on glacier, or maybe the some of the related activity, sports. And their life has changed due to the modernization. They are following the modernization. That area connected with the China border also, some may be Tibet part. So their life is also affected with that area, and their different physical structures are found due to the cold climatic conditions. And Manali Leh highway also located in that area, which connected through the rest of part of India. So this area is the rich for tourism, and Ladakh is cold desert here. So in this chapter we have discussed two types of desert, hot and cold desert. In hot desert we have discussed related to the Sahara desert, and which extend into the 11 countries, 8.54 million square kilometers area. And you know, due to the modernization, due to the oil producer, due to the gas production, life of the Sahara desert people has changed. They wear the heavy robes also. So this is the last chapter of geography dear. We have completed, and someday I will post the question answer on your WhatsApp group also. And tomorrow onwards dear, we will start the history. So now till we have completed geography and civics portion, and 3 chapters are left from your history, which is the tomorrow onwards we will start the new chapter from history. So dear, have a good day, and if you have any doubt, you may be send your queries on WhatsApp group. Thanks. Good morning dear. Now I am revising the chapter 10. Dear, we have completed the life in the desert, or in this, today I am revising important points of this chapter. So, in this chapter, we have discussed two types of desert. One is hot, another one cold desert. Hot desert is Sahara Desert. Sahara Desert, located in Africa continent, it is the world largest desert here, and it touches 11 countries, and different type of plateaus, rocky mountains are found in that areas. The climate of Sahara Desert is during the night 0 degrees Celsius and during the day 50 degrees Celsius. And Sahara Desert is the Earth's climatic condition, difficult, extreme climatic condition. It includes the cactus, date palms, camels are commonly found in that areas, and jackals, foxes, snake, lizards are found in that. And Sahara Desert life has changed due to the production of oil production, due to the mines. Sahara Desert life has changed here, and it is also developed in tourism purpose because there are different sanctuaries, national park are located in Sahara Desert, wildlife park are located. Another one is the Ladakh Desert. It's cold desert and it is located in our country, India, and it lies in Great Himalaya. Earlier we have discussed three categories of Himalaya. Top part is known as the Great Himalaya, middle part known as the Himachal Himalaya, and third part, southern part is known as the Shivalik Range. And average height of the Ladakh Desert is 3000 meter to 8000 meter. And due to the height, there is the extreme climatic condition are found in that area. During the winter, minus 30 degrees Celsius temperature, or during the day, 0 degrees Celsius. And Pashmina is famous wool sheep found in that area, and it famous for their woolen production, Pashmina. Leh and Kargil are the two main towns in Ladakh Desert, and tourism is major activity in that area which are developed, and the population consists Muslim and Buddhist. Muslim and Buddhist are two majority which are living in that area, and some famous Buddhist monasteries. Monasteries are also found in that area, and some Buddhist monasteries are MS, say, Teske are found in that area. Or in the summer season, the people are busy cultivation of potato, peas, beans, turnips. These are found. So here we have discussed two types of desert, and these are the topic. Through this we know how they spend their life inside the desert, what type of extreme climatic condition faced by the public in desert area, and desert area is at the less population because there is no such facilities are available in that area due to the shortage of water. Less population are living in that area. So now we have completed chapter 10 of geography, and from tomorrow onwards we will start new chapter from your history period. Within 3 or 4 days we will disclose the syllabus, and few students have asked question on WhatsApp regarding their annual syllabus. But dear student, I was not given any reply because sir has not given to permission us to disclose the syllabus of breakup syllabus for annual. So when a permission will given to us, I will surely disclose the syllabus. Maybe possibility other teacher maybe disclose syllabus. That's their outlook. And we'll disclose the syllabus and paper pattern also. The number of question will be 1 marks, number of question from 3 marks, number of question from 4 marks, number of question for 5 marks. From where map will come. So all the details will disclose within few days here. Just wait. And tomorrow onwards we'll start history. Thank you. Have a good day.